Hello and welcome back to the channel. So now in this video I am going to be talking you through 5 top tips that you can use to grow your YouTube channel fairly rapidly. So 5 top tips to grow your YouTube channel fairly quickly. So the first tip, the number 1 tip, the topmost tip is to identify your niche. So you have to identify your niche. You have to identify your area of specialism. You have to identify where you want to focus your channel. So it can be anything, but it has to be something that you are passionate about. So if your interest is in cooking, then you do a cooking related channel. If your interest is in cars, is in beauty, is in politics, etc., then you focus your channel primarily on that, so that the people following you, your subscribers or people coming to your channel, can see that that is where the focus is, and then they know that you are the go-to for that particular topic, so they know to come to your channel for that topic. Now I say identify your niche, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to focus exclusively on that niche, but you have to be primarily and mainly about that, and then of course you can dabble in other things as well. But the most important thing really is you have to always do videos on things that interest you, because it's the passion you see that you put into your videos that really engages people. So they have to see or feel that passion and hear it in your voice in order to keep them engaged. And you have to keep people engaged, 1, to get the subscribers, and 2, to get the watch time, etc. So you really have to be engaging, and to be engaging you have to speak to something that really interests you. So identify your niche is the number 1 tip for growing your YouTube channel fairly quickly. Now the number 2 tip, the second tip for growing your YouTube channel fairly quickly, is to identify current hot topics. So you've identified your niche and you are known for being of a particular genre. Now you have to go with what is trending in that area of specialism. So let's use politics as an example. So let's say, for instance, your channel is focused on politics. Then you have to identify the political trend, and then you have to identify what's being spoken about, what the current topic is, what is trending at the moment, and then you have to speak to that. So let's say, for instance, your interest is in American politics, for instance, then really you keep yourself up to speed with the antics of Donald Trump, and then you give your comments on the antics of Donald Trump, and then people watching can come and agree or disagree, and that way they engage with your content, and that is how your channel grows. So the number 3 tip, the third tip, is to be consistent. You have to be consistent, and this is really where the hard work comes in with the YouTube thing. You have to post fairly frequently, and your subscribers and followers have to be of the understanding that you post fairly frequently, so that they know to look out for your videos. So you post fairly frequently, and sometimes you have to trail your coming post as well. So say, okay, stay subscribed, I'm going to be doing a video on XYZ, and you don't want to miss this and that. So you have to be consistent. So consistency, number 3. Number 4, you have to promote your videos, and by promoting your videos, you by extension promote your channel. So you have to promote your videos, and by extension you're promoting your channel. So what do I mean? Whenever you post a video, make sure that you promote it on every social platform that you're on. So promote it on your Twitter feed, promote it on Facebook, promote it everywhere, promote it on Blogger, promote it on Instagram, promote it by word of mouth, promote it everywhere. Because you see, when somebody watches your video, the YouTube algorithm likes that, and if they're seeing that there's a lot of traffic around your video, then it gets highlighted more, which then of course attracts even more people, and it becomes like a self-fulfilling prophecy. So promote your video, and promote your video also includes leaving comments on other people's videos as well. So you leave a comment on other channels that are similar to yours, and leave a thoughtful comment as well that would engage with that channel, so that the people reading through the comment section can see your comment and then go check out your channel, and maybe you can gain a couple of subscribers through that as well. So promote your videos, spread it around all the social networks that you're on, and leave comments on other YouTubers channels as well. So that's tip number 4. Now number 5. So number 5 is a call to action. So you have to call people to act in your videos. So you have to ask them to subscribe, literally, because most people don't really have the thought to subscribe sometimes. They just want to watch the video and go. So you have to, at least in 3 instances within the course of that video, do a call to action. So you, at the start of the video, ask them to subscribe. In the course of the video, ask them to subscribe, and then of course by your outro, you're asking them to subscribe as well. So now the subscribe thing, you don't go in too heavy because nobody likes a hard sell, but you just drop subtle hints. You use humor sometimes. You use all of your charm and personality to try and engage them and encourage them to subscribe, and obviously make the videos as interesting as you can as well, because that encourages the subscriptions as well. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 tips for growing your YouTube channel. 1, identify your niche. 2, identify current hot topics. 3, be consistent. 4, promote your channel. And 5, call to action. So those are my top 5 tips. What are yours? Let's talk tips and tricks in the comment section. But before we go have that interesting conversation, as I said, click on that subscribe button so that it goes from red to gray. So now that you've done that, then come meet me in the comment section, and then we'll carry on this conversation. So I'll leave you here. Come meet me after you've clicked on subscribe, and then you tell me what you think about our YouTube and growing channels. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, and I'll say peace.